Hey everybody, today we're going to talk about Largecar Mag since I'm wearing their new shirt. And instead of showing show trucks from in the show, we're going to drive around the parking lot outside. And you'll get to see what goes on outside because it's like its own truck show out there. So the Mid-American Truck Show is full of awesome show trucks. Inside, just some of the best top-notch stuff. Some working, a lot of them not working. But what's really cool is when you go outside and drive around the parking lots. And I'm sorry I do lose daylight in some of this because there was way more parking lot than I thought. It's like I went through one and then there was three more. I didn't realize there was that much. I had never actually done this. So I do start losing light in some of it. But man, it was an awesome show. And we'll get back to show trucks in my next videos. But we're going to show you what was going on outside. I'm not going to do any commentary. It's sometimes Terry was holding the camera out her side. Sometimes I was holding out mine, but we were just driving slow through the parking lots. And we're also going to talk about Largecar Mag. I'm wearing their new shirt, and we get to see front and back. This was something I was pretty excited about. So we got it. We love Largecar Mag. So enjoy the video. All right, one of the favorite stands here is Largecar Magazine. The magazine's always here every year. See our t-shirts around. Stand. They're always around. They have one of the better YouTube channels also for seeing large cars. Look at that. They even have onesies for kids. Yeah, got it going on. Yeah, so they're here. Check out this new shirt of theirs. So I can't even get up there. Everybody crowded in. Yeah, let's see what you got. Am I in the camera good?
You're good.
All right, so I am a fan of Largecar Mag. They're always there. Steve Ford, the guy who runs, Steve and Michelle Ford on the company. They put out something on Facebook, on their Facebook, said they're thinking about doing this design and what do people think? And I was like the third person to vote on. I was like, I love it, I love it, I love it. Just full Peterbilt 379 on the front, and, you know, but when you do that, what do you put on the back? Boom. It's the back of the truck. I love it. Simple shirt, but I could not wait to get one. He had one in super fat man size for me, and yeah, so actually go to I'll put the Largecar Mag down there in case you guys don't already know who it is. You got to check out his YouTube channel too. If you're watching mine, you like show trucks. I mean, he is the king of show trucks. I mean, the magazine Largecar Mag, that's what he does. But yeah, if you like this shirt, or check out some of his other products at largecarmag.com. that was last year's winner. That's probably why he wasn't showing. Showing that one, he sure was slow.
Down to 19%.
Got a truck here. Right, couple of them. Look, there's a truck show here in the parking lot. Yeah. How you guys doing? Man, you guys got 4-inch lights down the side. What is this? West Jersey Express, Toulon, Illinois, I guess. That is a wild paint job. Talladega fiberglass. All right, he's got a whole cover on that hole back in there. Yeah. Excessive behavior. Yeah. All right, everybody, I hope you enjoyed that video. We'll have much more to come. That wasn't even the beginning of it. We went through like one of the parking lots so far, so there was so much more to see. But we'll get back to the show trucks, the other parking lots, the Papa John's free parking lot. A lot to see in the future, so thanks for watching.